Hello, this is an example of how to use Mobile Midwife to attach documents to a chart, such as a Ballard exam. So in this case, we're under the Newborn tab, and we'll choose Yes to attach documents. Then we'll press Add Document. And there's lots of options here, but in this case, we're going to use templates. So I'm going to choose Template. And then I'm going to choose the Ballard exam, which comes with every mobile midwife practice. And now that it's added, I'm going to view the document. And now I can add different scores. And then when you're done, you just press Done at the top. And it's that simple. And then we can go back and view it. And there it is. And this, of course, can be used with any document type under any form, such as prenatals or postpartum visits or labor entries. Thanks for watching.